The last 2 episodes, you set custom instructions and uploaded files, but you had to do it each time. Projects lets you set it all up once and reuse it forever. A project is a dedicated workspace inside Claude. It has its own instructions and its own files, and every chat you start in it already knows all of it. Think of it this way. Custom instructions are your defaults everywhere. A project is a focused headquarters for one specific part of your business. Quick heads up. Projects come with Claude's paid plans, Pro or Team. If you're on the free plan, everything from the earlier episodes still works great. Setting one up takes about 2 minutes. Click New Project, give it a name, then add 2 things, your instructions and your files. Step 1, name it for the job it does. For our example, something like Car Rental HQ. Step 2, the instructions. Remember the 4 lines from Episode 3? Who you are, what you're juggling, how you want answers, and what to avoid. Paste them right in. Step 3, add your files, your rental policies, your price list, your email templates, your FAQ. That becomes Claude's built-in memory for this project. Now here's the magic. Every chat you start in that project is already fully briefed. No setup, no re-explaining, you just get to work. Watch what that unlocks. Ask for a customer reply and it already knows your tone and your policies. No reminders needed. Like, reply to Sarah about a weekend SUV. You get the right pricing and your exact voice, because the project already has both. Number 2, consistency. Invoices, quotes, confirmations. They all come out in your format every time because your templates live in the project. Number 3, your team. On a team plan, you can share the project so you and your co-owner both get the same on-brand answers, no matter who's asking. As you grow, make more than one. Marketing, operations, customer service, or one per client. Each stays focused on its own job. A pro tip, keep the project's files current. When your prices or policies change, update the files. Better inputs, better answers. One thing to avoid, don't cram your whole business into one giant project. It gets muddy. Focused projects give you sharper answers. So here's the before and after. Before, you rebrief Claude from scratch every single chat. After, you open the project, ask your question, and it's already up to speed. So, to recap, name your project, add your instructions, add your files, and reuse it forever. The payoff? It's like giving Claude a permanent desk in your company. Already briefed, always consistent, always ready. Tomorrow, we take all of this on the go. Claude on your phone. 1 tip a day keeps the busy work away. Subscribe and check back tomorrow.